So, welcome you all. I am Suraj Kumar Jena. Welcome to you all to my YouTube channel Anjanach Education. Today I am telling you about a wonderful poem, a super poem, as we know that the Ballad of Feather Gilligan, a topic which is there in plus 2 second year arts, science, commerce, and I am here to teach the Ballad of Father Gilligan, which is written by W.B. Yeats by William Butler Yeats. আজি ଆମେ ଏକ ନୂଆ ପୋଏମ୍ ପଢ଼ିବା ଯାହାର ନାଁ ହେଉଛି ଦ ବ୍ୟାଲାଡ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଫାଦର ଗିଲିଗାନ୍ and name of the writer who has written this poem W.B. Yeats by William Butler Yeats. Ballad କହିଲେ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଜାଣିବା what is ballad. Ballad is a form of a poem. Poemର ଗୋଟେ ଅଂଶ ବା poemର ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍ଟ ଯେମିତି ଆମେ poetry କହୁଛୁ and ballad tells a story. It tells a story and it has short stanzas. ଗୋଟେ ବାଲାଡରେ ଏ ବାଲାଡ ହେଉଛି ଗୋଟେ poemର ଗୋଟେ ଫର୍ମ ବା ଅଂଶ ଆଉ the ballad says a story. ପ୍ରତି ଷ୍ଟାଞ୍ଜାରେ ଏ କ'ଣ କରେ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଷ୍ଟାଞ୍ଜାରେ ବିଭକ୍ତ ହୋଇଥାଏ ଏ ପୋଏମ୍ଟି ବା ବାଲାଡ କହିଲେ ସାଧାରଣତଃ କିଛିଟା ଷ୍ଟାଞ୍ଜା ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଷ୍ଟାଞ୍ଜାରେ ବିଭକ୍ତ ହୋଇଥାଏ and that ballad means it tells a story to the readers through the stanzas. So directly we will come to the author. I am introducing the author W.B. Yeats, who was born in the year 1865 and died in the year 1939, and the person belongs to Ireland, and that is why he is called an Irish poet. ତାଙ୍କୁ କୁହାଯାଏ ଜଣେ ଆଇରିଶ ପୋଏଟ୍ ବୋଲିକରି କୁହାଯାଏ ଯେ ଆୟାରଲାଣ୍ଡର ଅଧିବାସୀ and he is a dramatist and mystic. ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ଡ୍ରାମାଟିଷ୍ଟ and mystic. ମିଷ୍ଟିକ୍ ବୋଲେ ରହସ୍ୟରେ ପରିପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଜିନିଷ ଯେଉଁ ଲେଖାଲେଖି କରନ୍ତି ଦେ something like this mystic. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1923 and for his achievements and for his contribution to the English literature as an Irish poet he was awarded the Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ ଗୋଟେ greatest prize in the world and he was awarded the Nobel Prize for literature in the year 1923. 1923 ମସିହାରେ ସେ ପୁରସ୍କାର ପାଇଥିଲେ ନୋବେଲ ପୁରସ୍କାର ଯେ ହେଉଛି ପୃଥିବୀର ଗୋଟେ ବଡ଼ ପୁରସ୍କାର. So I am telling you about the poem. So what is there in the poem? The Ballad of Father Gilligan has a ballad form, a narrative poem. It is a narrative poem usually sung with regular short stanzas and it is divided into short stanzas that tells a story and the ballad tells a story. In this poem what we will get? In this poem Yeats narrates a profoundly meaningful story and it has a more overtly religious content than most of his poems. And basically as we know that most of the English writings or most of the prose and poetries belong to Christianity. The culture, the tradition we get from Christianity. So it is the story of a father, how he selflessly was serving his people and served his people. It was too difficult task and he was the only person working with the people and there was no one. He was lonely. ସେ ଜଣେ ଏକୁଟିଆ ମଣିଷ ଯିଏ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ସେବା ଶୁଶ୍ରୂଷା କରୁଥିଲେ ସେଲ୍ଫଲେସଲି ବିନା ସ୍ୱାର୍ଥରେ ସେ ଚିକିତ୍ସା କରୁଥିଲେ and ତାପରେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି ଆମେ ଜାଣିବା. Most of the point the story is about a priest. He was not only the father, he was a priest. ସେ ଜଣେ priest ମଧ୍ୟ and he was kind of doctor also who served people. ବହୁତ ଲୋକଙ୍କର ସେବା କରୁଥିଲେ ସିଏ Father Gilligan. So what was the reason why he was too much worried? We will come to know in this warm up or in this discussion. ସେ କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ worried ଥିଲେ ଚିନ୍ତିତ କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ଥିଲେ ସେ ବିଷୟରେ ଆମେ ଜାଣିବା. Who being emotionally and physically worn out fell into deep sleep. He was too much tired because କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ସେ ଅଧିକା tired ଥିଲେ କ୍ଳାନ୍ତ ଥିଲେ because he was serving people from day to night and he didn't have much time to take rest. ବିଶ୍ରାମ ନେବା ପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କର ସମୟ ନଥିଲା and during the time of evening he was going for a deep sleep. That is why it is mentioned deep slumber. ନିଦ୍ରାରେ ଯାଉଥିଲେ ସିଏ because he was too much tired and whole day he was working for the people. ପୁରା ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଦିନ ସେ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କାମ କରୁଥିଲେ. As he woke up he was horrified by the fact that he couldn't make it to the besides of the sick man before he died, and that no one had performed the rites of blessings or blessing for the dying. The divine presence in the guise of the priest is an affirmation of a loving and kind God. ସେ ନିଜକୁ ଦୋଷୀ ମାନୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଠି because he was not able to attend every people or all the people, and that is why some of the general folks ସାଧାରଣ ଜନତା କିଛି ତାଙ୍କ ଅଞ୍ଚଳର they were going to die in numbers, and he was helpless because he was the only person who served people with no rest, and patiently he was doing for his people, and it was not that much easier task on the part of the writer on the part of Father Gilligan, who is the central character in the topic. And in this way the writer has shared the story of Father Gilligan, how selflessly the person Father Gilligan was serving his people without any kind of disobedience. So he was horrified by the fact that he couldn't make it to the besides of the sick man before he died. So in this story or in this ballad we will come to know a story of a person who was dying, who was sick. Se thila asustho, and he had come to the house of Father Gilligan to call him for the help, but unfortunately he denied. And what it happened, for that reason the person Father Gilligan was feeling worried, and he was getting too much worried because he didn't attend that person, or he was not able to attend that patient or that sick man because he was too much tired and he was taking rest at that time. से ଯେତେବେଳେ ବିଶ୍ରାମ ନେଉଥିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ଆସିକି ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ପହଞ୍ଚି ଯାଇଥିଲା ଏବଂ ସେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମନା କରିଦେଇଥିଲେ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ, and without any kind of help a person departed from the house of the person Father Gilligan or the priest, and few moments later one of the relative or who was sick died, and the person or the priest Peter Gilligan or Father Gilligan came to know about the incident, and he prayed to God that please God forgive me, mate क्षमा कर दियंतु प्रभु, I was too much tired and I was not able to attend that sick person who died after that. जे मरी जाइतला तांको जोगु से सेति पय निजको दुखित मन करथुले, and that is why the person Father Gilligan was feeling sad. से निजको दुखित मन करछंती काहे कि से अटेंड करि पारले नाही. And what was the story we will come to know after that. आपरे कौन कौन है स्टोरी से विषय भी आम जाना. देखो, we will come to the first stanza. The old priest Peter Gilligan was very night and day. W-E-A-R-Y. The meaning of W-E-A-R-Y. Very अर्थ होची क्लांत बा tired. As I told you in the previous discussion that he was too much tired. And why he was too much tired? Because he was serving people whole day, and he even didn't take rest in the middle of his treatment, and he was treating people because people were dying in numbers. There was a disease spread in the locality, and as a priest, as a head of the village, the writer had mentioned, or the writer has mentioned here, the role of Father Gilligan, who was father, who was a priest, who was the head of the village, and it was his duty and his responsibility to save the life of people in that locality. So the old priest Peter Gilligan, name of the person is known as Peter Gilligan, was very W-E-A-R-Y, very कोइले tired, paklanto. He was very night and day for half his flock. You can write the meaning of flock. Flock कोइले साधारण लोको बा प्रजा से अंचल लोको माने were in their beds or under green shoots lay. The meaning of beds is, you can write the meaning of beds, and one more meaning it is added here, green shoots lay. Some are suffering, and you can write the meaning of beds. Beds koile, some are on the bed, that means they are going to die, they are suffering from the disease, that unknown disease which had spread in that locality. And one more thing, under green shoots lay, that means some are there, those who are already dead. କିଛି ଲୋକ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ମରି ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି For half his flock were in their beds कहले किछि लोक मरिवा को जाउछंती and they are on the bed now. They are suffering from the situation and they were suffering from the pandemic, or that we can say an unknown disease, or under green shoots lay कहले some are already dead. किछि तांकर लोक बा जनता तांकर प्रजा मरि जाइछंती, and for that reason the person was Peter Gilligan or Father Gilligan or priest Father Gilligan was responsibility because he was not able to attend his flock. तांकर लोक मानकु से अटेंड करि पार नथले, those who were suffering from that unknown disease. So we are moving to the next stanza. Once while he nodded on a chair at the moth hour of eve, another poor man sent for him and he began to grieve. Once while he nodded on a chair, जेतेबेले से चेयर रे nodded कहले आउजी के टिके बसी थिबा, द स्टाइल ऑफ हिज सेटिंग ऑन ए चेयर, गोटे आरामदायक चेयर जेतेबेले से हाफ सोइबा और अधा बसिबा अधा सोइबा अवस्था रे थिले एट द मथ आवर ऑफ ईव, दैट मीन्स इट वाज गोइंग टू बी इवनिंग एंड द सेड्स आर गोइंग टू बी एंटर्ड इनटू द अर्थ, जेतेबेले संध्या हेबा पई जाउथुला से समय रे another poor man sent for him. Actually I told you he was serving people whole day and he didn't have much time to take rest. So in the meanwhile, while he was taking rest, we can see at the month hour of eve another poor man sent for him. Gote garibo loko came to the house of Peter Gilligan and he began to grieve. से विरक्ति प्रकाश करले and he didn't show his interest to attend that poor person who had come to the house of Peter Gilligan. केते बेला आस्तिला during the time of evening at the moth hour of eve बोली कहले the time of evening, संध्यार समय बा संध्या हेबा पई जेते बेला जाउतला, that is moth hour of eve, not evening, just going to be the evening, it was going to be evening. So that is why the person Peter Gilligan denied that person and grief माने विरक्त प्रकाश करिबा, that is grief, he showed his dislike and he denied that person to attend him. And in the next stanza, the third stanza, I have no rest nor joy nor peace, for people die, and after cried he, God forgive my body spake not. And after being departed, the person, the poor person who had come to the house of Peter Gilligan for help, he denied, Father Gilligan denied him to meet him and he showed his grief to him, and then the person or that poor person departed from that place. In the next stanza, the person Peter Gilligan was telling himself and he was thinking himself and he was telling something to the God, I have no rest nor joy nor peace. That means he didn't have that much peace and he was not able to stay a healthy life and he didn't have much time to take rest in the middle of the day because he was serving people and he was attending people and he was treating people, because number of people were suffering from an unknown disease, and as a head of the village, as a father of the village, as a priest of the village, it was his responsibility to save the life of people. तांकर लोक मानकर सेवा शुश्रूषा करवा, तांको भलो करवा और तांको भलो रखिबा दायित्व थिला फादर गिलिगान कर, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली he was not able to do he was not able to save the life of others. अन्य मानकर लाइफ से सेव करि पार नथले बहुत समय रे, काहेकि से संध्या बेले विश्राम नेबार समय रे बा रेस्ट नेबार समय रे लोक आसिक तांक पाखरे पहुंचुतले. So one person, an unknown person who was very poor, came to the house of Father Gilligan, but Father Gilligan denied him to meet him, and after that he showed his grief, तांकर विरक्त से प्रकाश कले. And in this way, after being departed from that place, see गरीब लोकटी गला परे, the person Peter Gilligan was telling himself, से किछि कहूतले, I have no rest nor joy nor peace, and he was not satisfied with all these activities, and that is why से भगवान को क्षमा प्रार्थना करछुंती से वर्तमान, for people die and die, लोक माने केवल मरुचंती and I am not able to help people, please God forgive me. He prayed to God, भगवान को कांदी कांदी से प्रार्थना करछुंती, and after cried he, God forgive my body spake not. That means his body doesn't allow him to work more. तांकर बॉडी आउ तांको सपोर्ट करू नाही अधिक काम करबा पई, because he was too much tired. काहेकि से कोन करथले दिन राति से अक्लांत परिश्रम करी ही वाज ट्राइंग ए लॉट टू सेव द लाइफ ऑफ हिज पीपल और फ्लॉक साधारण जनता मान जीवन बचाई से प्रकृत काम करते बट इट वाज नॉट एनफ एंड पीपल came in the night while he was taking rest and it was the time to take rest but the person that is why showed his grief to that poor person and he didn't attend one of his relative who was going to die but he didn't know जड़े गरीब लोक जी आसी इन द प्रीवियस स्टांजा मु कहली जे तांकर गोटे गरीब लोक आसला हेल्प मांगे कहीं वन ऑफ हिज रिलेटिव वाज सफरिंग फ्रॉम दैट डिजीज से रोगर शिकार होता से हेल्प मांगवाक आसला किंतु फादर गेलिगा कौन कले मना करदे विरक्त प्रकाश कले बट आफ्टर बीइंग डिपार्चर्ड फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस द राइट has mentioned here that the person Peter Gilligan was telling or was talking to himself निजे निजे से कथा होतले कौन कथा होतले I have no rest nor joy nor peace मो पाखर शांति नहीं आनंद नहीं मो पाखर कौन प्रकार जिनस नहीं वर्तमान and I didn't have much time to take rest and that is why I denied him ताको मना करदेली but हे God please forgive me हे भगवान मत क्षमा कर दियंतु people are dying and dying but I am not able to do anything and I am helpless because my body speak not माने मोर बॉडी कथा कहू नहीं बा my body doesn't support me and it needs to take rest मते विश्राम दरकार करछि in the next class in the next video I will tell you everything in detail about it thank you